This is predator versus prey, my visualization project for CS475. I chose to look at cause of death data provided by the CDC through their API, along with some other statistics they have published. From this data, I wanted users to see what was truly taking the most lives in each U.S. state from 1999 to 2016, and compare this data state to state. As we move from the landing page, we are presented with two options, selecting a state and year. For state, we will choose Alabama, and year, we will choose 2004. This populates our bar chart, which shows the disparity in different causes of death. Heart disease is the leader at close to 13,000 deaths, as seen on the tooltip. From here, we have the Compare button, which moves us down and presents a clickable map. We will use this to select our comparison state, which will be Kentucky. We are then presented with two horizontal bar charts for each of our state selections. We can examine both graphs and see how they compare in terms of common causes of death for that year. We can also transform our graphs with the buttons below. The CDC gives stats on how limiting the items presented may affect the most common causes of death. We start with limiting tobacco, which has a fairly drastic effect. From this on, we can continue selecting items to limit and see how this will affect our data. After the last button, we are given a bit of background on the data provided from the CDC and some broader statistics. As well, instructions are given for continuation. We can compare a new state to Alabama for the same year by clicking Compare, or set a new origin state with the Reset button. We'll start by making a new comparison. This time we will choose New Mexico. From this we can see the comparison for these two states, as well as revisualize our transformations. We can then click the Reset button to set a new origin state. This time we will go with Colorado. And we will use the year 2006. And then we will click our Compare button, and we will choose to compare this with South Dakota. We are then brought to the same visualization and options for transformations. We can view these changes by pressing each button accordingly. This visualization is meant to display how powerful small decisions in terms of health can have when made en masse. The CDC even claims this could prolong or save around 296,000 lives.